Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox a brand new smart bracelet. So this is a smart bracelet for different activities, for example cycling, fitness, walking, etc. Here we can see some of the function that this smartwatch has. We have activity recording, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, calorie burned, smart track, alarm, message, and we have the USB charging. So this smartwatch is USB charging type. It weighs 21.6 grams and it works -10 Celsius to 50 Celsius. This watch will charge for 2 hours and will last longer. So let's take a look. We have rubbery bands. In the bottom we have the sensor, and we have the screen. It's one button touch screen, and we have the user manual. So let's take a look. This is the first screen. We have the Bluetooth, we have battery. Here in the middle is going to show the weather. Here we have the clock and we have the data. Next we have steps, we have distance, and we have burned calories. Now if we go to health, we have 3 different options. This is the heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. So when you're using the heart monitor, it's better to wear the smart bracelet on your left hand, 1.5 centimeter after the wrist, and please make sure the heart rate sensor is close to your skin. So in the app of the watch will be some instruction how to use it and how to wear it, and we will show you that in the other video, that we will connect the watch with the phone. Now we have blood pressure monitoring. And in this mode you have to stay still, and the blood pressure will do his job. So after you connect your smartwatch with your phone, the result is gonna show in the app. So after the result was taken, it will vibrate to tell you the result. Now we have blood oxygen. So also this mode is gonna save the data in the app. After this we have the sleep monitoring. We have sport, and if we go to sport we have walk, run, cycling, basketball, swim, table tennis, badminton, climb, football, and these are all the sports that this watch have. If we go to news, It's going to show the number of the news that we have in our phone and other apps. Here in More, press and hold to go in. We have About, QR code and Reset. Also we have the Power Off button. So now we can test some of the options, for example blood pressure, heart rate and blood oxygen, and how they tell us the result. Now let's go to Healthy, and the heart rate will start measuring our heart. Now we have to wait. Now it's counting our heart rate. So this is the real-time heart rate, and it's working pretty good. Now if we go in the blood pressure, we have to wait a little bit, then it's going to start measuring our blood pressure, and then it's going to vibrate and show the result. So as you guys can see, it's showing the result of the blood pressure. Same will happen with blood oxygen. We have to wait and it's gonna vibrate, show the result. Is still measuring. Now it's vibrate and show the percentage of the blood oxygen. So in the next video we're going to show you how to connect your smart bracelet with your phone and the app. So to see the video, please subscribe our channel and turn the notification on.